Good morning to our lecturers, Wan Li Wan Chun and CS Asno, and to all our classmates. We are Group 8 from the Engineering Drawing and CAD course. My name is Syed Asfa bin Syed Muhammad Ayub. Number matric 01 FTB 25 1089.
My name is Liu Weiwei. Number matrix 01 FTV 25F 1098.
My name is Mugandan, son of Muhammadan. My number matrix is 01 FTB 25F1096.
And my name is Naveen, son of Mahadevan Devar. My number matrix is 01 FTV 25F 1079.
Today, we will presenting of the complete design, modeling, and technical drawings of a printer in CAD. This project helps us to apply all the skills we learn, including creative drawing, annotation, drawing, organization, orthographic views, isometric views, and plotting text.
For this project, we divided our tasks to ensure smooth workflow and accuracy. Here are the roles for each member. I was responsible for object selection, dimension taking, and the initial freehand sketches.
I work mainly on the 3D modeling using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2025.
I create the orthographic projection and isometric drawing from the complete 3D model.
I focus on the report writing, layering system, animation, and organizing the layout of the final drawing.
We also work together to cross-check measurements, correct errors, and ensure everything followed proper drawing standards. This teamwork made the project more structured and allowed us to improve the final results.
For this mini project, we select a commonly used object, which is the printer ink cartridge. This part is essential in printers because it stores the ink and allows the printing mechanism to transfer the ink onto paper. This is the actual image of the cartridge that we measure and model.
We choose this object because it contains a mixture of simple and complex shapes. It is flat surface, curved edge, internal compartments, slots, and connection features that make it interesting to model. By selecting this object, we were able to apply both basic and advanced CAD techniques.
Our objectives were very clear and they guided the entire modeling process. They are 1. To design and model a printer ink cartridge, to apply essential CAD skills such as sketching, constraining, extruding, cutting, filleting, and adding detailed features. 3. To produce a complete 3D digital model with correct design intent. 4. To generate orthographic projection drawings with accurate dimension, line types, and annotation. 5th, to produce a clear isometric view for better visualization. Finally, 6. To understand how real products can be converted into digital CAD models and technical drawings.
This objective helps us stay focused and allow us to complete the project efficiently.
Next, we will present the orthographic projection drawing. Orthographic projection is one of the most important techniques in engineering drawing. It allows us to represent a 3D project and 2D using multiple views. Display the drawing. Here, we use third angle projection, which is the standard in Malaysia. Our orthographic projection include front view, which show the main face of the architecture, top view, which shows the layout and shape from above, side view, which displays the side features like thickness and side slope. All the views are properly aligned using projection lines, and this ensures that anyone reading the
We also included all necessary dimensions such as length, width, height, radius, and thickness. Each dimension was placed according to ISO drawing standard with proper spacing and clear annotation.
Now we move to the isometric view drawing. The isometric view is a 3D representation where the object is rotated at 30 degrees to show that. This view is extremely useful because it helps visualize the overall shape. In this drawing, you can clearly see the edge, the ink content area, the top cover, and the structural details that cannot be easily seen in 2D views.
Isometric views are commonly used in technical manuals, assembly instruction, and engineering documents because they help engineers and technicians understand how the object looks in real life.
Now we will discuss the technical components used in our drawing.
In engineering drawing, line types are extremely important because they communicate specific information. We use visible line. They are thick dotted line showing the edge you can see from the view. And the line, these are dashed line showing edge that are not directly visible. Center line, these are long line that indicate symmetry or circular feature. And lastly, dimension line and extension line. These are used to show measurement clearly. Using the correct line type prevent misunderstanding and ensure the drawing is interpreted correctly by anyone reading it.
We use third angle projection in this method. The top view is placed above the front view. The right side view is planned to the right of the front view. Views are arranged based on how the object appears when observed from the direction. Third angle projection is widely used in Malaysia, the United States, and other countries because it follows a more intuitive layout.
We organized our CAD drawing using a layering system, which is very important to maintain clarity and control. We created layers for outline, hidden lines, center lines, dimension, hatch, notes and annotation. Layering allowed us to switch on and off specific group of lines when editing. For example, when we wanted to focus on shape only, we turned off the dimension layer. This made our workflow much more efficient.
We also use proper annotation including text labels, leader notes, dimension values, symbols such as projection symbol and material indication. Drawing organization is also important. We arrange all elements neatly, avoided overcrowding and ensure the spacing between dimensions follow ISO standard.
For plotting, we choose correct paper size A3, appropriate line weight, citable scale, ISO drawing border, and title block. This ensure the drawing would be printed professionally.
In conclusion, this mini project gave us valuable practical experiments in engineering, drawing, and CAD.
We successfully created a detailed 3D model of a printer ink cartridge using Autodesk Inventor 2025.
We also produce correct orthography projections, isometric views, annotation, layering, and proper plotting setup.
Overall, this project helped improve our understanding of real-world engineering, documentation, and prepared us for future design tasks in this field. Thank
Thank
you.
you.